In the world of fast-paced content, YouTube Shorts reign supreme. But how do you create a standout short? Here's a quick guide. First, keep it concise. With only 60 seconds, every word and frame counts. Make your point, make it fast. Next, choose a compelling thumbnail. It's the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Captivate and make them click. Thirdly, craft a punchy title. It's your headline, your bait. Make it intriguing, make it irresistible. Engage your audience in the first few seconds. Hook them, and they'll stay. Remember, YouTube Shorts are vertical videos. Optimize your content for mobile viewing. Last but not least, use hashtags. They're your best friend in reaching more viewers. They help categorize your content and make it discoverable. So there you have it. A quick guide to creating YouTube Shorts. Now go create, captivate, and conquer.